A9S withstand scorching heat at 50 C or endure an icy freeze at -20 C? Let's check. The temperature chamber is now active, rapidly dropping to -20 C. After 2 hours of testing, frost has formed inside the chamber, an authentic real-world challenge. Tcang's high-standard manufacturing ensures flawless performance in any temperature. Low temperature test successfully passed. 50 seed a relentless battle under the tropical sun. After 2 hours of intense heat testing, the chamber temperature has reached 50 C. The A9S continues to operate at peak efficiency. Dual tests successfully passed. Tcang manufacturing, built to withstand any challenge. Get your POS solution now.